Hi everyone, welcome back to CSE Tutorials by Sumit Pawar. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of programming. Whether you are completely new to the concept or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Let's get started. So what exactly is a programming? Simply, computer programming or coding is the composition of sequences of instructions called programs that computer can follow to perform a task. Simply put, programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific task. It's like giving a set of instructions to your computer to make it do something you want. So if there is a problem, we want to communicate with the computer so that computer can solve it. This problem is converted into programming language, and then programming language code is converted into machine code. As we know, computer only understand a language of 0 and 1s format. So this we have to write code in a human instruction format. These instructions are written in what we call programming language. There are many programming languages like BASIC, VB, C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, etc. And each language have its own syntax and use cases. There is a difference between coding and programming. Basic difference is that coding is a subset of programming. Programming is a process where software creation, identifying programming requirements, translating requirements into code, debugging, testing, creating documentation, and more. Where coding is a subset of a programming where we only write lines of a code, machine readable inputs, languages, and syntax. For the first year engineering students, if you are doing daily 1 hours of practice, then at the end of the engineering, you will definitely have a technical skill set so that you can easily get placed into a good MNC start. Now in this video, we are briefly discuss about programming as well as coding. So unlocking programming fundamentals, explore the core concepts of programming that form the foundation for first year engineering students, understand the data types, control structure and algorithms to build a strong coding skill set. Now let's break down the steps involved in the programming. First, we have a problem analysis. This is where you understand the problem that needs to be solved and define the requirements. Think of this step as planning your journey before you start driving. Next is algorithm design. Here you create a step-by-step solution to the problem. An algorithm is like a recipe, a set of instructions to follow. Designing an algorithm helps you plan out your program before you start coding. Once you have your algorithm, it's time to write the actual code in a program language. This step is called coding. Different languages have a different syntax, but the core principle remains the same. After coding, you need to test your program to make sure it works correctly. This involves running the code, checking for errors, and debugging. Testing ensures that your program does what it's supposed to do. And finally, there is a maintenance. These steps involve updating and improving your code over time. You might need to fix bugs, add new features, or optimize performance. Maintenance is crucial to keep your program running smoothly. Now let us talk about some common elements of a programming language. First, we have variables. Variables are used to store data that your program can use and manipulate. Think of variables as containers that holds information. Next, control structures like loops and conditionals help you control the flow of your program. Loops allow you to repeat actions, while conditionals let you make your decision based on certain conditions. Functions or methods are blocks of codes that perform specific tasks and can be reused throughout your program. Using functions help you keep your code organized and efficient. And finally, data structures like arrays, lists, and objects help you organize and store data. So there are different problem solving strategies. Developing a problem solving skills by learning techniques like decomposition, pattern recognition, and algorithm design applies these strategies to tackle complex problems solving, and this problem solving can be used in the real world. And choosing the right data structure is the key to writing efficient program. So there you have it, a quick overview of what programming is and the steps involved. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the basics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and happy coding. अरे इथं काय विषय